What's up guys, here's Cloud from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to use the hover box from WPBakery WordPress page builder plugin. What is hover box? Imagine when you hover a mouse over some section or over some button and it flips, it changes, it shows you another content that only appears when you hover the element. It's possible using WPBakery, and this is what I'm gonna learn. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, make sure that you have the latest version of WPBakery plugin installed on your site, 8 or bigger, okay? If you don't know how to update your plugins, please let me know in the comments so I can help you. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and find a place where you would like to apply your hover box. I'm gonna create a new page, so I'm gonna move to page, add new page. But you always can go to all pages and find one of your previously made pages. Then you're gonna be able to see this editor right here. All you have to do is click on WPBakery page builder button. This is gonna load you the back end, the classic editor. And you have two options right here, the back end and the front end editor. I'm gonna work with both, but I'm gonna start with the back end. Then this is an empty page, select the layout. I recommend that you always use the default layout, okay? The blank, it's in the case that you are trying to create a landing page, okay? But the default gonna load your theme navigation menu, your theme site footer, okay? After, click on add element. Scroll down just a little bit. Yours may look different, but if you install Borderless plugin, you're gonna be able to find extra elements right here. But I'm gonna be looking at the hover box element, just like this. First thing, I need to enter an image, and this is all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna enter an image, just like this. I'm gonna save my change, and now let's review the results we are getting into the preview option. Now, this is a hover box element. If I hover over it, I see that the content changes. Let me change this to another column layout, and let me change this image. Maybe this image right here kinda looks better. And now let me clone this element. If I hover my mouse over the element present on the page, I can clone it, okay? Just like this. I can make a copy of this, just like this. Then I can drag and drop the element into the other columns. In this way, I'm gonna have 4 columns with this element, just like this, okay? Now, how to customize this hover box? First, let me apply some space into the row that these columns are located. There is this pencil icon, edit row, and I would like to apply some spaces around it, okay? Just like this. Let me know if it works. Yep, we are getting closer. Now, working on the content. Hover a mouse over the hover box. Click, then primary title, hover box element, primary title alignment can be center, the shape, the widget, the alignment, reverse block, up to you. Now, hover block, hover text, position, content. Right here we can play with the content in the case that you want, for example. And you can change the color. And you can even click on yes to enter a button. You're gonna be able to see a new tab into the hover box settings where you can apply a button right here. Then move to preview. Here is the results we get. Simple, right? Let me change this picture for a lighter one. Let me change this content just like this, and let's preview. And here is the result I got. Fancy, don't you think? Then, of course, you can combine these elements with other content to create layouts that you wish. Let me publish this page. Now, let's explore the front-end editor, okay? Click into this button. Next to the Gutenberg editor, it's gonna load for you the page into the front end. So the difference right here is basically that you can see the results as soon as you change something. For example, imagine that I open this hover box, go to my hover button, and change the color of my button to a classic black. Hit the save change. Now I can see the new button layout working immediately. I have no need to preview the page. Same things happens in the case that I want to change anything. If you select use a custom font, you have primary title, and right here you're gonna be able to change the color of your title in the case that you want, okay? So all you have to do is select use custom font to change the color of your title. For example, like this. It's gonna be very useful in the case that you are using some dark background image. For example, an image like this one. As you can see, it's gonna work great for you. But you're gonna need to change the font, okay? There's a couple of font families that you can play with. Let me change the color again so you can see the difference. Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WPBakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzo WordPress theme. All can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth with 3ws.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where we can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of our dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!